Got myself some cookies. 99 cents. These cookies are delicious. Regular $2.50, but they expire today, I think. So I was like, oh, I'll buy expired cookies. Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. This is a new phone. Just testing it out. It's not looking too great, to be honest. Maybe I just don't know how to properly set it for dark footage, but anyways, let's get to the video. Yeah, what the heck's going on? Just a second. And this is my old phone. So the old phone's a lot better quality at night. This is the S10, and my new phone's the LG 5G Velvet or something. So anyways, let's get to the video here. I just want to go ahead and apologize. It's nighttime. Planned on waking up a lot earlier, but slept through all my alarms. So I got this code here. Oh, well anyways, I had the PO 100 code, which is for the mass airflow sensor. Now I'm getting the O2 sensor, which is PO 159 or 139. But anyways, so I went ahead and bought some mass airflow sensor cleaner. So I'm going to do that tomorrow. That might have something to do with the misfires. I doubt it, but anyways, it's saying there's an issue. So I checked all the wiring. It's all connected, so I'm going to clean it. Cleaning it doesn't work and I still get the code, then I'll get a new one. But I also went ahead and bought some fuel injector cleaner. So what I'm going to do is, treats up to 79 liters. I'll fill up the gas tank, put this in, and hopefully that fixes some of the misfiring. And I went and bought this. I know some people say don't get it. It's not good for your engine. It causes dirties your spark plugs or whatever, but made with jet fuel. But anyways, I was gonna get another one that it was gum out and it increased the number by 3. So where I'm a 91 with a 93 octane tune, it would bring it up to 94. But anyways, I don't know how much this brings it up, but from the reviews that I've seen, everybody's giving it good reviews. So I also read a review of a guy running 91 with a 93 tune and was getting knocked, so he put this and it went away. So I'm going to try this. I'm sure that one bottle isn't going to do much damage if it's not good for it. Let's zoom in here if I can. Yeah, so it helps restore performance, reduces knock and ping, helps improve mileage. So I brought the laptop with me. Don't mind all this garbage here. Been spending too much money today, new phone, bunch of stuff, and so I'm gonna go ahead, fill up the gas tank, and then I'm gonna put this stuff in it. I'm gonna go for a drive, hook up the computer or the laptop, and see if it fixes the misfires and knocks. So fingers crossed. And once again, I apologize, this video is nighttime, but it is what it is. It's winter. It's only 7 o'clock. It was nighttime. It was dark at 4:30. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, fill this up, and I'll pick up the video after. Yeah, you always see me going like this in my videos. It's just because I'm literally talking to my steering wheel. I don't know if it's like an ADHD or something. I always gotta be moving or doing something with my hands, or you'll see my legs going like this. But anyways, so I don't do the whole vlogging thing because no face, no case, right? I am gonna clear my codes, put it in accessory mode. Check codes again, PO 159, that PO 100 went away like I said, but anyways, clearing codes are clear, click OK, start her up. I guess it kind of misfires on the startup. All right, good stuff. Knock count 3 already. Yep. Misfire 135. I'll do my best to hold this steady here while driving. It'll be easier with automatic. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135. 135 hopefully you guys are getting a good view. I don't know why it's blinking out like that, but it's driving me nuts. So far so good on the knock count side of things, which is good. So that might literally just be the crappy fuel we got. No knock count again. Swerving all over the road like a drunk driver. But there's no traffic, so don't hate. There's no traffic. If I crash, it's my own fault. Okay. That MAP voltage is 2.46. Knock count's not going up. So I think it's safe to say the knock count is not, it was the fuel. It was literally just the fuel. So if I had to put this $5 octane booster in every time, so be it. I literally just get it on the initial startup. 125 now for Misfire. And 3 knock counts right on the startup. So knock count 3 again, right on the startup. That's it. So it might still be because the gas isn't mixed around good enough or what, but let's take off here. Stays at 3. I think it's safe to say it's the fuel. I still got to clean that MAF sensor, so maybe once I do that, and if it's still getting misfires or knock counts, maybe I'll change the MAF sensor. So anyways, like I said, I'm gonna go to my buddy's. I'll charge the laptop. The battery's almost dead, and I'll try it again on the way back. I'm like 20-minute drive, half-hour drive away from them, so it says to drive for about half an hour to mix everything around. And yeah, so it seems to pull better too with that higher. I might have to try some draggy runs on the way back, to be honest. But anyways, so far so good. I don't think I've started it up yet since I started looking at this without a knock count or without a misfire. Oh, there's one knock count. See, I speak too soon, 4 and 5. So, anyways, it's definitely getting a lot less knock count now. So, oh, damn. Well, I'm just gonna stop talking. I don't know if it's because it's cold as hell outside right now. It's not even that cold. It's minuses, just below the minuses. Knock count 17. It's higher than ever. It's higher than ever. So, yeah. Not good, guys. Got more knock count than anything now. That's crazy. Okay, I'm shutting this down and trying again. Yeah. I don't know, guys. I am gonna just drive super slow the whole way home. And yeah, this sucks. But I thought it was good. Like you guys seen the whole way. I didn't get any knock count. Now I'm just getting a shitload. Yeah, so maybe the fuel needed to move around a bit. For that octane booster to kind of mix around. I don't know. But seems like when I'm driving, I'm not getting any. I don't know, maybe it's just because it's a cold engine and it's normal to have a lot of knock count on a cold engine, but you wouldn't know if you're not monitoring it. So, like, the car feels fine. It's not spitting and sputtering, it's not cutting out, you don't hear any knock, obviously, but it drives perfectly fine. It works better than it ever has, but according to this, it's misfiring and there's knock count. 1 knock count. Misfire cylinder 5. I think that would be normal on a cold start to have a knock count. I don't know. But they, knock cycle is on cylinder 5 and the Misfire is on cylinder 5. And usually when the Misfire, it says whatever Misfire, that's the same knock cycle there. If it says Misfire 4 and 5, then you get knock cycle 4 and 5. So I really think the fuel injector cleaner and the higher octane booster helped. But yeah, so it's still not 100%. I got the EGR delete on the way. Install that, disable the EGR, and hopefully that helps things. And I'm putting the throttle body spacer back, or I'm going to put the throttle body spacer and put the intake back on and get a real tune. Probably from Javi or Javi, or I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but at Javit Tune, I'll put it on the screen. I'm pretty sure it's Javi, but I'm Canadian in English, so I'm not sure how it's pronounced. If I can run the octane booster and not do any damage overall, then I'll keep running it, but I'll look more into it. I know some people said don't do it, some people say it's good, but when you got low octane gas, what other options do you have? Put crappy gas with low octane, or put octane booster? That knock count, still not going up. It's a little cold out, she might break traction up top, but I'll do my best to hold the steering wheel straight and shift. Just to show what it would roll like from a 5 grand Rasp City. Oh yeah, it definitely pulls harder now with that higher octane. But it's too cold to try my quarter mile times, so I'm just gonna buy this octane booster from now on, I think. At least I can run the 93 tune a little safely. See, did that pull, no knock count, no extra misfire, so it seems like whatever issues, it's literally just on the initial startup, and that's it. So anyways. Enjoyed that little pull, and if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Feel free to comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.